Millions of people visit Yosemite every year for good reason. From Half Dome, the most iconic monolith in the park, to El Capitan, Bamba, Bamba. No, we're not going into that, but El Capitan, a granite cliff that looms over the valley, and Yosemite Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in the world. There are myriad reasons to visit this park, but is it worth it to visit during the winter? Let me help you decide if visiting Yosemite during the winter is right for you and how to prepare. I'll make this quick. Unless you're trying to climb cliff faces and enjoy the entirety of Yosemite, then winter is probably not the best time. But if you're just trying to get your feet wet and you don't mind the cold, winter is an incredible time to visit Yosemite with opportunities for hiking, playing in the snow, and solitude. The quiet and beauty of Yosemite in winter is an epic experience. While some trails and areas are closed off, if you want beautiful winter settings, lack of crowds, and lower hotel prices, the time to go is after winter break, during January or February. Another reason to visit is every year from mid to late February, the setting sun hits Yosemite's Horsetail Fall at just the right angle, creating the illusion that the waterfall is on fire. This phenomenon is known as the fire fall. Prep is not too difficult. Waterproof jacket, pants, thermal layers, snow boots, renting spikes for your shoes, a headlamp would be nice. Basically, if you look like this dude, you're platinum. You also may need chains for your tires. I also want to point out, and if you've been watching my videos, I rarely plan. I didn't take any of the advice that I'm giving you now. I was fine with jeans, a jacket, sweatshirt, scarf, gloves, and running shoes. But not everyone likes to travel as reckless as me. But just saying, you can get by without any of that stuff as long as you're comfortable. What's up, folks? It's Darewrecks, aka the Frisco Roamer. I'll be your host as I lead you on this virtual tour of Yosemite. But before, why don't you crush that like and subscribe button? All right, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you made it this far, you're probably wondering where you could stay. Well, let me help you with that. And what is the name of this hotel, you might be asking? Well, as you can see, it's pretty empty right now. I mean, there's some people here, but it's definitely not crowded. We paid a little over $300 for 3 days and 2 nights. I'm sure during high season it's going to be super more expensive. This spot is located a mere couple of miles from Yosemite National Park, so super convenient. We got a fitness center. Let's check it out. The gym is definitely decent. Free weights. Different types of hotel rooms. Ours is a loft, which is really cool. I'll show you guys later. So there's several areas, and each area has its own pool. They got hot tubs out here. The one negative about being here is there's no Wi-Fi, and if you want Wi-Fi, you have to pay $10 a day, and that will give you access to 2 devices. So that's one drawback. Interestingly enough, in Yosemite National Park, I actually did have Wi-Fi, so it wasn't strong, but at least I could do a couple things. The River Restaurant and Lounge. Another thing I didn't like, and while I did enjoy my dinner, the dinner was expensive. So I had trout, I had rainbow trout, mashed potatoes, and veggies. And with tip, it ran me 40 bucks. And that's a lot more than I want to spend. And everything is pretty pricey here because, well, there isn't that many options. You got a Tesla, you can charge it over here. Another hot tub, indoor pool. Another pool over there. And you got the gift shop here if you're interested in buying. Get your snack on. Ooh, look at this. Cracker Jacks. I didn't even know they still made them. Haven't had them in like 20 years. I'm definitely gonna grab some. TV. Little kitchen. Bathroom. Chill area. Some final tips and info. Make sure you check the weather. We arrived early February 2023, and it wasn't long before the park shut down due to heavy snow. Yosemite Park has a free shuttle bus that can take you around the park. It also has a market and restaurant. My advice is to either eat at the park or shop for goods, and assuming you have a kitchen, cook in your room. Or be prepared to spend some cash on restaurants. Gluten-free options are available in the hotel's restaurant I stayed at and at the market and restaurant in the park. Peace, and keep being curious.